Hey, DJ Mikey Mike in direct sound, and we are doing a quick comparison. All right, we got our Flurry washes right here, and I also have an Accu Spot 250. Okay, and I just did a quick comparison against the wall on what this 3-watt LED can do compared to an MSD 250. Now check this out. On the wall, right here is an Accu Spot 250. MSD 250 bulb. Right here is the Flurry Wash with the 3-watt LEDs, drawing almost zero power from the wall. It is blowing away the Accu Spot 252. I can't believe it. The color saturation is amazing. Although it is a wash light, it is just pumping out the color. Now that is a small, tiny little moving head. Check that thing out. There it is, right there. The Flurry Wash is just kicking some serious booty over the Accu Spot 250. That's a serious moving head right there. And that little moving head is killing it with 3-watt LEDs. Oh my gosh. All right, so the Color Storm and the Flurry Wash, almost identical. One gives you movement, one is stationary. The color out of them are identical, actually blows it away. It's almost like a 300-watt, pretty close MSD 250 or MSD 300 bulb. Awesome, can't beat it. So check these things out. The price, around $350 to $400 for one of these things. For a moving head fixture is about 1,500 bucks. So do the math. All right, we just did the same comparison with the green. Now look at the rich color of the Flurry Wash here compared to the Accu Spot 250 with a hot white spot in the middle. You can't beat that. Compared to the MSD 250, oh my gosh, you cannot beat that. All right, there's the blue.
I set that up. I had a marathon case. It's specially made for it.
Looks amazing. So those Flurry lights are awesome. Blizzard Lighting, blizzardlighting.com. You guys got to check it out. Go to their website right now. Go talk to Will. He'll hook you up. He'll get you the right dealer in your area to get you the best price possible. You guys check them out. We want to thank Blizzard Lighting for letting us use their lights here at the YouTube's DJs Live West Coast event. Turned out amazing. Everybody is just in love with these lights. So it's DJ Mikey Mike with Direct Sound. Peace.